Hello.
I guess guilt is a good word.
Hello.
But same thing's happening for Jeff, though. His life is just kind of passing him by. So much so that he even said that he just doesn't want to hear that anymore. So you know, that you just really helpless. You don't want to do it anymore.